Hello, today I am going to discuss about the law making in India. So, we know that India is a union of its of state, and our constitutions in preambles the words described a union. India is a union of state, and that is the reliable future of our country, that the whole territories and the states have a control by the union. That union are whole India, and after that the the law making in India, that is discussable things, because there are three lists have been described, because the state law, the rights of the state and the right of the Indian and the union and central are divided. That's are differently, that's are determined in the constitution, and that are three list. Number first list is union list, that are some topics that related to the in the union list. The parliaments have has made the law, and that are as follow: as defense and military, and external affairs, and others are related to that union list. And after that, the second list is state list, that list is conducted, that rules made by the legislature in put at the state lists have been consisted with there are many topic of in the state list, that have as a state police, and state police and state irrigation, and mm, states lower courts, and state others things that are related to that union, that state list. And other than number third is concurrent list. In this list, that topics are put that are common on both list, that is related to the some topic of that list is. Number first is as a newspaper, as a marriage, as a electricity bill, as other that is related to that topic.